How to play Trash. The object of the game is to be the first player to complete your layout of 10 cards, ace through 10. Trash works great as a 2-player game, in which you'll only need 1 deck. If you're playing 3 to 4 players, use 2 decks. If you have 5 to 6 players, use 3 decks. Today I'm going to teach you the standard rules and the playing game's advanced rules. First up, the standard rules. Setup. Shuffle the cards and deal out 10 to each player. Players will then make 2 rows of 5 face down, like this. Any extra cards are now the draw pile. Gameplay. The first player to the left of the dealer begins by drawing a card from the draw pile. If the card drawn is an ace through 10, the player places that card in the correct location of their layout. If it's 4, count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's 7, count out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That drawn card goes in that spot. Remove the face down card and flip it up. If this is another card in ace through 10 that you don't have yet, place it in the right spot of your layout. For example, this is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove that 5th face down card and put the 5 there. Turn that card up. This goes on until you find a card that you can't place. If you draw a queen or a king or a number card whose location is already occupied by one of your face-up cards, that player then discards the unplayable card, placing it face up on the table next to the stockpile, beginning the discard pile. Now the next player will begin by either taking the top card from the draw deck or the topmost face-up card in the discard pile. That player will then place their card face up in the correct location of their layout. They repeat the same process as the previous player, continuing to reveal their layout until they are stumped. If you replace a card and you flip it over and it's the value of the one you just pulled, it goes into the discard, your turn is over. You can't have more than one of the same number in your layout. Jacks. In Trash, jacks are wild. If you reveal a jack, you can place it anywhere on your layout containing a face-down card. It is possible to have more than one jack in your layout. If you have a jack in your layout already, for example in the 4th position here, and then you reveal a 4, you can replace the jack with the 4, and then use the jack in a different wild spot in your layout. The first person to complete their layout wins the round, but the game is not quite over. The next dealer shuffles all of the cards and deals them out. However, they only deal 9 out to the winner of the first game. For that player to win this next round, they only need to have ace through 9 in their layout. Each round's winner will play 1 less card in their layout until one player begins a round with only 1 card, having to fill that in with either an ace or jack to win the whole game. Advanced rules. We like to play the game more or less the same, with a few side rules to make the game a little bit more entertaining. In this version, jacks are still wild, and kings will still end your turn. However, there is one big additional twist. The queens now have a special spoiler role. What do I mean? If you draw a queen at any time during your turn, you must put her in your layout, and you can't win a round as long as there's a queen in your layout. So if I reveal the queen, I would have to put her somewhere in my layout. I put her here in the 3rd position. If on a later turn, I can replace the queen with a 3 or a jack, she leaves my layout. My turn ends immediately, but then I get to hand off the queen to the next clockwise player, which will likely spoil their layout. Their turn then consists just of placing down the queen and handing off the card that it replaced in the layout to the next clockwise player. If it is the numbered card that I replaced her with, she immediately goes to the next clockwise player, and they must place her in their layout and discard the card she replaced, ending their turn. However, jacks kill the queen, and if they are used to remove her, she goes to the discard pile rather than an opponent's layout. We love this side rule. It adds an extra layer of skill and sabotage. That said, Trash is basically a game that's 100% luck-based, making it perfect for gatherings of lighthearted fun. Do you have your own side rules for Trash? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. You are great. See you next time on Playing Games.